Hey, Andy here with DIVEIN.com. It may be cold out right now, but we're dreaming about those warm waters. And so I'm super excited today to share our review of the Aqualung Storm. These are great travel fins, super light. You don't even need to wear boots with these. You can go barefoot with these and it'd be just as good as if you were wearing boots. You're not going to want to miss this review. Let's dive in. Here we have the Aqualung Storm fins. Now these are a paddle fin specifically designed for travel. You can wear these with or without boots. So what that does is it makes, you don't have to have the exact size with the full foot fin. Now you have an open heel fin that you can wear barefooted. So if you love going to the warm places, you're on a boat all the time, you're not doing a lot of walking, these are perfect for you. They come in at 22.5 inches. They weigh less than 3 pounds for this set, even all the way up to extra large, super light. They have kids and adult sizes, and they come in 11 separate colors, combinations that you can change out. Has a real nice bungee strap with the finger pull. Works great. The Storm performed great in the pool. For a lightweight travel fin that you don't have to wear boots with, it did great. 23 flutter kicks to go 100 feet and 22 frog kicks to go that same distance. So you're covering ground with this short fin that you can pack easily. They are a little bit less stiff than a traditional channel style fin or even some of your other paddle fins out there. So I give them a 3.5 out of 5 for the turning, and also a 3.5 out of 5 on the back finning. But these are great little travel fins. Now, if you love traveling for diving, you love getting in those warm blue waters, well, guess what? We've got a couple other fins that you're going to like just as much as the Storm. The Seawing Supernovas and the ScubaPro S-Teks. Now, these are both great travel fins. They're going to be a little bit heavier than your Aqualung Storms. You do have to wear boots with these, so you're going to have to bring those with you. What's really cool about both models of these, though, is they come with this two-piece design where you can take the foot pocket away from the blade. Both of these have that. They come with a little tool. You pop them out, and they fold in half pretty much, or they become two pieces, making them fold in half. You're going to like both of them. They're, like I said, they're both a little bit heavier. They're both going to be a little bit longer than the Storms as well. Let's take a look. There you go. The Seawing Supernovas are quite a bit longer than the Storm, whereas the S-Teks are just a little bit longer. So it's up to you to decide what you like, what you need, what your goals are. Remember, the S-Teks does have this stainless steel weight on the bottom that you can take off, and it goes from negative to neutral to satisfy those warm water dives. Just go ahead and follow those links that we've provided to check out the reviews of both of these fins, see if they're for you, see if you like them. If you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit those buttons below, like, share, and subscribe. Leave us a comment, let us know where you're watching from. And until next time, see ya.